Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make an anime preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Lights. Adjust the contrast to -10. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +100. Whites to -50. And blacks to +90. If you're done, go to Curve. Choose the blue curve. Follow the instruction carefully. Click Done. Next, go to Color. Adjust the temperature to -6. Tint to +21. Vibrance +40. And the saturation to +2. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Red. Hue to +6. Saturation to -14. And the luminance to -10. Orange. Hue to -2. Saturation to -10. And the luminance to +20. Yellow. Hue to -39. Saturation to +20. And the luminance to +20. Green. Hue to +13. Saturation to +23. And the luminance to +100. Aqua. Hue to -100. Saturation to +20. And the luminance to +20. Blue. Hue to -53. Saturation to +64. And luminance to +10. Purple. Hue to +100. Saturation to +57. and luminance to +100. Magenta. Hue to +67. Saturation to +77. And the luminance to +19. If you finished, click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to -71. Clarity to +81. And the vignette to +8. Last, go to Detail. Adjust the noise reduction to +80. And color noise reduction to +78. And done. This is before and after. And now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos. You can justify a little bit if needed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Bye.
that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.